Hey guys, today we are unboxing my new YOCO card machine. I had the previous one, there is a video on that. This one is now an upgraded version. It's been out in the world for a while, yeah, let's see how this one looks. They were very professional delivering this with face masks and everything, and keeping distance as much as they could. So yeah, let's get this open and see what's inside. Okay, the packaging looks a bit different. It's a bit of a smaller or a different shape box, but yeah. So it says Samsung Pay and Visa and MasterCard. So I guess you can tap with your phone and do a payment like that also. So this will definitely be an upgrade for me. The old machine could only swipe cards or insert cards for payment. Oopsie, what else is on the box? Well, it's just the same thing all around the box. So let's see how it looks. Okay, greeted with this little booklet with it's one of those stands which you can also just put down to show you take payments from MasterCard, Visa and SmartPay. I've got a sticker for your window, I believe. So payments for these are welcome here. There's a little hello booklet showing you how everything works, and the steps to get your machine or card machine configured. And there's the little YOCO machine. Looks a bit different from the previous one. And there's the tap sign. You can swipe and insert the card now on the side, not at the bottom anymore. And there's the charging port. Oh, this is nice. You also get this little, looks like a reset pin or something like that, like what you get with the phones, a neckband, or and what's this? Just your normal charging cable, same as the previous model. Yeah, that's it. Everything that's in the box. Don't know what this is. Some quality check, little quality check card, and so we'll see how this works and if it's a bit better than the previous one. I can try and switch it on quickly if I can just find the on button. Maybe it's now switches on. There. I don't know if it's charged when it comes out of the box. No. Hello. Oh, it is. Okay. It's already charged. Shows hello. It's got a backlight now. I can't remember that the old one had a back. No, the old one didn't even had a backlight. So that's nice. It's very. I think it's half the weight of the previous one. Very lightweight. I will see whether the rest of the setup, I'll do that, and we'll see how it does a transaction. Okay, I'm going to attempt to pair the machine while taking this video. While it says hello there, I have to go to the settings, but this is okay. I did go into settings. I went into settings and I paired with my phone's Bluetooth. It was very easy. I couldn't record it because I'm doing the recording with the device. So let me quickly just show you how quick this machine switches on now. If I didn't do like a video on the time it took for the other machine to switch on, but there we go, it's already switched on. The other one went through just a lot of stuff, updating, doing stuff, always booting a long time before you can do a transaction, and I believe this one is now ready. If it's connected to the phone, just plug it in and put the card in, do the transaction or whatever. That's very, very quick, and it's got a sleep mode now. As I said, the backlight, and if you switch it off, it's like quick. This machine is a lot faster than the previous one. I did attach the neck, I don't know, let's call it a brace, for if the machine falls, it's not you can catch it by this or hang it around your neck. That's cool. Yeah, I will leave a link in the description where you guys can go and click and order yourself one of these YOCOs. I think that's my whole video. You can use a promo code if you want. I'll put it here, and then yeah, we can maybe get like a rebate, you and me, because I do believe they give the client also a kickback if they, or discount on the machine if you use this code. So thanks for watching. That's it. Have a nice day.